Notice, no lighting is provided in this nature area. For your own safety, please do not enter this area during night time. Be aware of possible lightning strikes and falling branches due to bad weather. And up the stairs to rail corridor. Hi, it's me. And if you are seeing this video, it means I have nothing better to upload. And here's more footage of me walking along from point A to point B. Previously. How to get to Bukit Timah fire station from Hoheim downtown line via the rail corridor. Main entrance of Springdale condominiums. And looks like not even industrial locks can survive the power of a lock cutter. Wonder if the number lock is still in use. And is this supposed to be an ashtray or a bin? Any cars incoming? No. Any cars incoming? No. So I guess I own this stretch of road for now. Probably not for long, since after all, this is the service road for a couple of condominiums. Yeah, I guess I got owned. Entrance, South Haven 1 condominiums. And the existence of South Haven 1 implies the existence of South Haven 2. I'm not wrong. And I've arrived at a clearing. Should be the future site of the next up and coming condominium. But for now, it's still empty. Watch this space for future developments. But one thing's for sure, just beside this empty lot, something has already built up. And so without walking downhill, up the north, and if you can see the differences in grass color, I'm not the first one to be doing this. And so before these saplings grow up to be tall trees or densely branched bushes, I present to you another car park. The latest sparkling built car park just before you hit Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. So if you would rather not drive all the way up to the foot of Bukit Timah Hill, consider parking your car here before making your way up on foot. Well, there's a small shed with a lightning rod equipped for the pedestrian. And this is where you are, or this is where I am. Okay, closest MRT station, Beauty World. It's a sign. And like most EPS car park, your nets top-up kiosks, your barriers to prevent free entry. And once you're out, 60 cents for 30 minutes. What a steal. Well, so if you are now on foot, continue along the tracks meant for pedestrians. Bukit Drive. It's a drive alright. Up a Bukit. And if by choice or not by choice you are still in your car, head straight for another 20 meters and turn left into the car park at the foot of Bukit Timah Hill. And a word of caution, turn left at this entrance. And no entry to vehicles except authorized vehicles. It's a sign. We dedicate this pulai tree to Mr. S. Dhanabalan, Minister of National Development, in recognition of his many contributions to conserving Singapore's natural heritage. 6 June 1992. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Click the notification button to be informed of future content. And do you know I have some videos of me inside Bukit Timah Nature Reserve? go wash them. But for now, let me just do one thing and we'll call it a day. See you in the next video. No, I'm not gonna be walking up the hill. Bye. Now this water pressure is going to be taking forever to clean the mud on my feet. Wait, is this thing still on?